This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. See guys, in this lecture we are going to learn how to use update command of SQL.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
In Python program, that is script. Okay, so the first thing, as you know, I will do is I will import MySQL dot connector. This module has to be imported in order to work with databases. So then I will make a connection. DB is equal to, let me give alias name, DB is equal to MySQL dot connect, host is equal to localhost, okay, user is equal to root, pass wd, that is equal to what password you have for your database. Then database is equal to employees. Okay, now the next thing I am going to do is I am going to take cursor object. Cur is equal to db dot, db is our connection object, cursor. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to update the basic salary, that is B cell column of my table master. For the employee code, that will be given by the user. So let me ask the user the employee code. So m code is equal to, I would write input, enter the employee code for which updation is to be done. Okay, so we will put it into the variable m code. After that, use the try block. Then we would write, let me first have a string variable with the name SQL or any other name. I would write the update. You have already done update statement in one of the lectures where I discussed SQL. So as per the syntax, after update we are supposed to give the name of the table. In our case it's master. So update master set bsal is the column name, that is our field. Update master set bsal is equal to, let basic salary be increased by 1000. So update master set bsal is equal to bsal plus 1000, where employee code e code is equal to percentile s, because employee code has been taken as string. So here I would write m code percentile m code. Okay, so what will happen is the basic salary for the employee code, that will be given by the user here in the input statement. That basic salary will become 1000 bigger. Okay, so in try, what I am going to do is I am going to execute cur dot execute, then SQL string, and after that I would write cur dot, sorry, db dot commit. Right, as you know, commit will finalize this operation. Okay, so the next thing we should do is we should display all the records like this. I would write cur dot execute select from master. Okay, so after that I will take the collection by writing call is equal to db dot fetch cur dot fetch all, because fetch all is a method that is invoked on the object of the cursor class. So our object of the cursor class is cur. And after that I would write like for var in call, then print var. We will see the records and we will see whether the updation has taken place or not. We will check it out. That is why I have displayed these records, these rows. Now I would be writing except print some error occurred while updation. Okay, this message will be displayed, and we will be rolling back the operation by writing db dot rollback. Right, so let's execute this program and see what happens. Control Shift F10. Okay, it is asking for employee code for which updation is to be done. Let me give 909. There is an employee with the code 909. I will press enter, and as you can see the value was 10,000. The basic salary value was 10,000 for the employee 909. Now it has become 11,000. Right, updation has taken place successfully. Let me re-execute the program, and this time over I am going to give the employee code as 101. The value of basic salary for 101 was 16,000. Now it has become 17,000. So updation is taking place successfully.